Hi guys.
Good morning, friends.
What a night it was.
Oh my gosh. We have to catch you up on where we are, how we got here, and just why our day has turned into something completely unplanned. So yesterday I had been researching hikes in the Whistler, Squamish area. The thing we're loving the most about this,
Which is where we are.
yeah, you can find a beautiful one-day hike, a multi-day hike. You can find secret lakes and all sorts of stuff. So this area is really, really amazing.
Incredible. Best place in Canada that I've seen so far.
Yeah. And so we decided, I kind of dragged Eamon into being up for the Panaroma Ridge hike.
Heavy negotiation on this one.
So after much negotiation, we started packing our bag.
Just pre-making some peanut butter and jam. Well,
Peanut butter.
peanut butter
Jam.
jam, no jam.
I'm doing double peanut butter. Eamon was like
Pretty down.
convinced that you needed bear spray.
Oh, 100% I wasn't going without bear spray. Hey, do you know if you sell bear spray?
What?
Bear spray?
Bear spray?
Bear.
Bear spray. No, I
Bear spray. Bear spray? Don't sell. What do you
Make
do?
lots of frickin' noise and walk backwards. They run away the other.
All right, Don. I'm coming for you if they eat my girlfriend.
We were all set to do this hike. We actually ended up driving towards where you can start the hike from and stealth camped at this beautiful
sketch.
spot. It was a little sketch because we came at dark. Pitch black road right now. And just fingers crossed there's somewhere for us to camp out, eh boo?
We arrived determined to wake up early. We had our clock set for 7 a.m.
If you guys know Eamon and I, we need our sleep. So you know when you set the alarm and then you see how many hours it's gonna give you of sleep? We saw almost 8 hours and we're like, okay, fine. We can make that work. But then
this happened.
oh, it's so creepy to even talk about. It's like the absolute middle of the night. I don't even care that this isn't focused. We think we found a mouse.
Yeah.
Did he leave the house?
No.
You can see him?
No, leave, friend. I don't know what to do.
I know, I don't know either.
That's gross, dude.
I know.
I woke up when he was on my side.
I know, and you were like
I woke
freaking
up and went, ah!
and we're like, you're just tripping out. How is that possible? The first sighting of the mouse was actually Eamon feeling it crawling all over him in bed, and he shot up through the sheets, and I just thought he was having a nightmare or something. I'd never seen you react like that. So I'm like, okay, this kid is having a weird time.
In one swift motion, I got up, went like this, and flew. And literally, I don't know how, all of a sudden I was standing.
Yeah, you were.
And I had the lights on. It was like unbelievable. I knew exactly where the light switch was. And Beck's like, are you insane? Like, she started freaking out. Obviously, we didn't vlog that.
So then I thought he was just being insane. And then we all go back to sleep, and I have no idea how much time later, I hear like...
Here's the plan. We've got this block in this area. I'm gonna open the door fully, and then I'm gonna try and rustle and make noise up there.
If anyone just saw what you were doing, you were like shaking stuff on the... You're standing up on the driver's seat. Oh my god, we've got this weird barricade, and we have the door open, we're shaking stuff, and he didn't come out. Should we stop worrying and try to sleep? What time do you think it is, or should we just start the hike?
Yeah.
Is that 2 in the morning? I knew I shouldn't have picked up that extra bag of chocolate the other day. I gotta tell you that fart you just let one rip, wow.
That's gross.
That's so bad. I was trying to hold it for the camera.
Yeah, it's disgusting.
It's very disgusting.
Late night farts are disgusting. We've got a plan.
Okay.
We're gonna bait him. I'm gonna put a big blob of peanut butter on this door here. And try and tie up this over here so that he goes for that. Mice like peanut butter, right? Now we wait. I saw him. You the passenger or driver's seat.
He is. What are you doing?
If you ever want to truly test your patience, come and experience this. I'm now at the point where I'm ready to kill him.
We spent all night long trying to catch the mouse. The plan was always to catch him.
I had a full-on stakeout. Beck gave up.
I was so tired. And I realized like we're not, so I was awake for maybe attempt 1 and 2. Then after that I was like, okay, we're not catching this mouse.
You didn't make it to 8 or 9, huh?
No, I did not make it to 8 or 9. But I really hope some of these clips turn out.
Changing.
You were like hanging from the rafters. I looked at you one time and you were just in your boxers, like literally in downward facing dog, like holding the door, and it was so funny. Oh my gosh.
My original plan was to trap him in that corner, throw a mat on top where the peanut butter is, and then open the door and for him to shoo out. That's no longer working. I've now got my artillery weapons, flashlight for the direct hits in the drawers, kidney beans for a large strike, peanut butter, and corn for a more tactical strike.
Lights were on all night, by the way. Even when we both did fall asleep.
Oh yeah, 100%.
We fell asleep, me sleeping like we normally sleep, and Eamon with his head like he was on a stakeout waiting for his mouse. I had my ear to the ground, basically. It was so funny. Anyways, we have not caught the mouse. The mouse is still in the house.
Well, we don't know that. It's like super quiet now. Like even like in the morning, like I didn't feel anything, I didn't hear anything. So I'm thinking either there's 2 options. Number 1, we scared the crap out of him and he went out the hole that he came in, which we're gonna find today.
Yeah,
Number 2 is I clipped him with the kidney bean can on either his tail or his hand, and he's hurt in a corner, which I feel horrible about.
I know.
But trust me, if you're in this situation, you're doing the exact same thing.
If the mouse is crawling on you in the middle of the night, you're not like, okay mouse, come hang out.
No way. We're gonna have to rework our plan. This morning we're gonna start with breakfast and figure it out from there. We'll see in a bit.
What's the plan?
This will be the test piece. Nice healthy scoop for Mickey.
Mickey really liked the peanut butter last night, so we know that he likes peanut butter.
We're going right in the middle of the floor. I decided I'm gonna leave the fan on for Mickey just in case it doesn't get a little too hot.
I don't think that was very good English. From our camping spot this morning, the 3 of us, Eamon, Mickey, and I, we decided to come to the Cheakamus Lake trail. I'm already a little bit out of breath. I'm hoping that's altitude related, but it could very well just be out of shape related.
Me too.
And we're gonna go for about an hour hike, hang out at the lake for a little bit, and of course we're gonna bring you along with. Or so of the hike. What we've been absolutely loving about Vancouver is that it is a rainforest area, so the hikes are cool, they're covered, and they have like these beautiful mossy, what do you call the trees? They're just like massive and lush. The word is lush.
How awesome is that?
Oh my gosh. Wow. Whoa, this is so pretty. Wow. Yesterday, as we were preparing for the big hike, we went in to get some water tablets and we got completely sold on this new gadget that pumps water.
That guy sold the crap out of us, huh?
He sold it so hard and he was so casual. He was a really good sales guy.
We could have spent like $9, we spent 60.
It was 60 bucks, but yeah, essentially it pumps the water and it filters it on the spot. So with the tablets, you have to wait half an hour. With this, you can drink it right away, and we're gonna try to fill up our water bottles with some glacier water.
This is it here. I gotta try it.
Tastes a little weird.
Does it?
Yep.
What does it taste like?
Kind of like chlorine. Maybe I should have pumped a little bit through it first.
Oh, or the bottle itself probably, yeah.
Guess what Buddy's doing right now? You gonna tell him?
I just peed in the lake. It felt nice.
The water's cold, but it feels amazing.
We've totally lost track of time, and we still want to get in the Chief, so we are leaving now.
The reason we're leaving that beautiful spot is because we've been really keen to do this.
Right
Okay, enjoy your pee. We've been keen to do this hike called the Chief. It's in Squamish, and first time we came to Squamish ever is actually when we first met the Minimum Millennials, Christian and Aubrey. It rained forever, and we didn't do really anything outdoorsy. The last time we were here was with Eamon's family, and his siblings had already hiked the Chief. So today is our day. We're just chatting with some locals down at the pond there. The lake. Down at the lake, and they were saying that it'd be really beautiful for sunset. But basically it's 6 o'clock now. We probably have until 9. Ooh, this is gonna be tight. 6, we're gonna get out of here by 7. We're gonna drive. Babe, I don't know if we're gonna make it. I think the mouse is gone too. Yes!
It's gone, right?
The mouse must be gone.
Yeah.
The mouse is definitely gone. Yay!
Okay, peace out, new friends.
Bye, see ya.
Maybe we'll see you back in Whistletown.
Yeah, for sure.
Excellent.
Sounds
See you
good.
then. Enjoy,
Peace out.
enjoy school.
Later. Bye, Walter.
Literally just lie.
Got some bites, did I?
Yeah, probably. Almost forgot you. You come with us. Oh, also, whoever was on the Cheakamus Lake hike on July what? Whatever day it is today. We love you too. Peace. How good of a call was this, saving this?
I always wanted to save half, you kook.
No, you wanted to eat it.
I wanted to, yeah. I love watermelon.
Let's cruise.
Along our drive, we started realizing we were getting hungry, and we thought, let's make dinner with a view. You ready for this view, yo? I don't know if you're ready. Can you turn off that song? Hey, handsome, can I join you?
We made it to Squamish. We realized we were totally out of water, but then we realized last time we were in Squamish, we found this awesome rec community center, and that's where we are now. Gonna fill up some water.
Do you realize that it's called Squamish and not Squampton? It's just a nickname, everybody? You know how we talk often about our contract on the things that one of us does and the other one just doesn't have to do? Water is one of those things that I just don't do. And I think partially it's because I get a little bit embarrassed when you guys catch me trying to fill up water. This is a bit embarrassing. He's unplugging a sprinkler system. No big deal. Wow, 3 full jugs, boo.
For the low, low price of $3.99.
Before we say goodnight and sign off the vlog, I just wanted to thank each and every one of you who shared your stories with us and watched our most recent vlog. We're all good, we're in happy spirits, and we, you know, have a lot of perspective that we've gained through all of you and all of your encouraging words. So thank you so much for being a part of our community. We really, really do appreciate and love all of you.
True dat. Love you guys.
See you in the next one.
Peace, 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 peace on earth.
See you guys. What?
You know, the thing I've been trying to get going?
Work hard, play harder?
Yeah.
Is that it? I feel like that's not a catchphrase though.
If you say it enough times, it does become...
No, I think it's already a thing.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Our thing.
Oh, okay. Eamon wants me to remind you guys to work hard and play harder.
Nice.
Okay, see ya.